Hello everyone, welcome to my another vlog. It was very rainy day, but now it is a little more sunny today. Um, Now I am going to buy some groceries, some household items, and pizza. And I will ride with my bicycle. So let's go with me. At first, I'm going to a shop which is very known for household items. This shop name is TEDI, and I will take the cycling way and a little bit off-road. So some hills and some bridges I have to go through, and then I can find the shop. I have already reached to the shop TEDI, and outside of the shop I have parked my bicycle with a steel body and I locked with it. And now I will enter to the shop and take a basket and start my shopping. So let's go.
Wir sind wie Brüder, das hier fühlt sich wie zu Haus an, wenn wir durch die Straßen ziehen. Wir denken nicht an früher, wir ahnen leise, dass es groß wird, denn wir haben doch überhaupt nichts zu verlieren. Verstehen uns blind und ohne irgendwas zu sagen, räum ich mit dir die letzten Zweifel.
Usually all kinds of household accessories we can find here, and it is not so costly. Most of the items are here a little bit affordable and easier to buy.
Sagst, wir leben nur einmal und wer weiß schon, was morgen ist. Wir trauen uns nicht zu fragen, weil die Angst die Antwort.
After finishing my shopping at TEDI, now I'm going towards REWE. It is a very well-known grocery shop all over Germany, and I am now on my bicycle towards that shop, which is nearby to that location. I have already reached to the nearby railway, and you see here the fruits and the plants are kept outside. Took the banana. Now the ice cream has been taken. It's my favorite ice cream. Now after finishing my shopping, I have kept all the bags at the behind of my bicycle. Now going to Domino's to buy a pizza.
Ja, das Herz schlägt bis
I have reached to Domino's. Now ordering a vegan pizza. I have to wait 7 to 10 minutes till the pizza is ready for me, so I'm waiting outside. The pizza looks so yummy and so tasty to eat. So guten appetit. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment and share. See you again. Tschüss.